Hi, I recently passed AZ-900 Microsoft Azure Fundamentals. I followed just what it is in this video and it was more than enough. If Azure or cloud is new to you, then you will be looking to spend a week, otherwise you can finish it in 8 to 20 hours. Now, let's dive into this video. What we cover today is what to expect in the exam, how to book an exam, where to find the study materials, and the free practice exam questions. First off, beginning with what to expect in the AZ-900 exam. The total exam duration is 65 minutes. Out of that, only 45 minutes is the actual examination time. A quick tip: open the exam before your scheduled time so you have enough time to check in. Why? Because before you begin your exam, you must take pictures of your exam space and validate your ID. Things to remember: do the system check one day before the exam. How to do that? You will get the instructions when you book the test. Confirm that you will use the same system as in the exam. Copy the access code and download OnView. Once you download OnView, follow the instructions. For OnView, you must close all the apps. What if I see the error on OnView? You can close it from the task manager to kill all the apps running in the background. There are multiple ways to open the task manager, like pressing Ctrl or Delete for Windows and Command Alt Escape for Mac. Now we know what to expect in the exam. Let us see how to book an exam. A couple of things to bear in mind. Select your country appropriately and be mindful of the time zone you want to book the exam in. Don't worry about any links. All the links from this video are in the description below in great detail. Well, once you are in this link, just scroll below and you will see the schedule exam section. The first thing you select is your country. By default, the price is in USD. The price may differ depending on your country. For example, in Thailand, you only pay 55 USD. The unit USD doesn't change with the location. Like if you are in Australia, the price changes, but it is in USD. This exam is also available in other languages that you can check later. You select the schedule with the Pearson View option, which is an online exam. That will take you to this screen. I'm just showing a part of the screen here. You only have to follow these 3 steps. You can also link your account to other accounts. For example, in my case, I have linked my personal account with my office account. Let me take you to the guide here. Fill in your details in the certification profile step. Apply discount vouchers if you have one. Sometimes Microsoft offers free or discounted voucher if you attend their online sessions. Then choose your intended date, and there you go, you are all booked in for your exam. Before we move on, hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. If you haven't already, you can watch my other videos related to this exam. Now let's see what to study. The exam has 3 learning paths, each with 3 to 4 modules. We'll have a separate video highlighting essential topics for the learning path in the playlist. Feel free to ask me questions in the comments or let me know if you want me to do an easy to understand video on any topic. Now, at this point, we've also seen what we study. Now, let's see where to go and find the reading materials. Microsoft provides all the reading resources. Again, I put all the details in the description. Here's how you go to the link to see modules of each learning path. Also remember to familiarize yourself with the basics of labs, as there could be questions related to general lab experience on the exam. You'll have questions and answers at the end of each module, and those questions are also crucial for the exam. So far, you've booked the exam and prepared everything. Now let's look at the free practice exam questions. You can do the free practice test from Microsoft itself. You can refresh the practice question page and some new question will come. Example: what are 2 basic services provided by all cloud providers? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. The right answer is compute and storage. You can check the answer by clicking on check your answer, and you can go to the next and so on. Points to remember: during the exam, you can mark the questions so that you can check them later. Some questions have multiple responses. Be mindful of that, like this one. What are two characteristics of a consumption-based model? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. The answer is no upfront cost and the ability to stop paying for resources that are no longer used. Before we finish, let's do one more. What is the advantage of cloud computing compared to the on-premises deployments? Answer: you can scale more quickly. Good luck and thank you for watching.